What up, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy, the Book of H, coming back at you with another banger. And today, everyone, what we have is actually another subscriber recommended video. Now, this was recommended by 2 people, everyone. We'll get right into that in a second. But what they recommended was this Play cartridge. So Braylon said, yo, can you try out Play cards? The ones that have like bugs all over the box, not the one you already reviewed. So everyone, that's what we got. We got one with centipedes all over it. And King Nubs 1 said, I noticed Play changed their cards and packing, everybody. I tried to find some online details about Blue Raz Sorbet, and it says Blue Raspberry, also known as Blue Raz, is a potent hybrid marijuana strain believed to originate from a Raspberry Kush cross. While little is known about this mystery strain, it's commonly found in cartridges, and consumers say it produces easygoing effects that are uplifting and enjoyable. So everyone, with that said, let's bust right into this. As you guys can see on the back, they added this little P right here. Just a sweet looking box, not gonna lie. I like the design for the logo. It's like reflective, everyone. What Play is, if you guys have never had these, this is actually cannabis distillate plus rosin. As you guys can see right here, it says 1 gram hash rosin infused cartridge. On the back though, right here, it says cannabis distillate plus rosin, plus premium rosin. So everyone, the stats on this, the THC is 83.741% and the CBD is 0.419%. We'll open this from the bottom, pull our cartridge out, and this is what we're looking like, everyone. As you guys can see, it's a little bit darker than typical distillate. That's your rosin in there. As you guys can see, the mouthpiece and the bottom. Get this screwed on, everyone. Without any further talking, let's get right into hitting this cart. Blue Raz Sorbet, Play Canada, hash rosin infused. Let's get it. Cheers, everybody. We got this on 2.6 volts on the Yocan Uni Pro. Cheers. Bro. Holy. That tastes amazing. Super, super blue razzy. I don't even know how you would say that. It's like not the Blue Raz flavor you get from a Jolly Rancher. It's a different taste. But it's still distinct. It's still sweet. And I feel like honestly it's a little bit more genuine. It's hard to say because blue raspberry is artificial. There's no fruit that's blue raspberry. But everyone, let's tap this again. Let's get it. This is amazing tasting. What the hell? As well as, everyone, we just finished this Peninsula Gardens 8, and I was like, yo, this was gas. We've got to get another one. So I've got another one. As you guys can tell, these are open. I open my packs instantly as soon as I bring them home if it's in this plastic packaging. Obviously, there's no humidity pack in here. It's not going to keep your pack fresh. It's going to dry out pretty quick. So as soon as I bring mine home, I put it in an airtight vacuum sealed jar, which I got from monthlyplug.com. Peep them, use code theBookofH at checkout for 15% off store wide. Little plug real quick. Now let's get back to the cart, everyone. This shit is so smooth. That tastes So good. Everyone, we just went and grabbed the Ziva Pro. We haven't used this battery in a while, honestly. We've got 100 puffs even on this thing. We've got it at 3.5 volts. Cheers. Let's get it. The black looks so clean. So honestly, with all that said, I rate this cart, bro, I want to give this one a 10 out of 10. This is a hard one to rate, everyone. I got this cart for, well, they're $15 typically at my dispensary, and I got it 20% off, so it was around $9.5 minus tax. So it's a good deal. They're a really good cart. The flavor on this is all there. Besides the taste though, this thing is super smooth. I mean, it's not all distillate, as you guys can tell on the cart, as well as, I mean, when I'm hitting this thing, it's not giving me the urge to cough. I don't have to resist or nothing. This is super smooth. And I hit that at 3.5, everyone. If you guys haven't checked out Play Carts, definitely go check them out. Shout out to the homie Braylon, and shout out to the homie King Nubs. Everyone, I appreciate all the support, and I appreciate the recommendations. If you guys want to see your comment in a video, drop one down below. And yeah, everyone, we're gonna tap this again. That's gonna do it for today's video. 10 out of 10 on this one. Great job, Play. And yeah, if you guys have any more recommendations for this company for strains, let me know, everyone, because this is killer. Only a 4.2 second. Yeah, bro. That one was a little light, but it's so smooth. It tastes like candy. It really tastes like blue raz, like cotton candy. .5 second rip. I thought that's what I did the last one, but whatever. Go check out this cart. Go check out Play in general. And if you guys find a different strain, let me know. But yo, everyone, I love y'all so much. Thank you guys so much for all the support. I can't thank you enough. I know I say it a lot, but everyone, I cannot believe it. At the end of the day, and I know I've said it before, I smoke weed every day. I was just like, you know what, bro? Let's start recording it. Why not? And then it really turned into something different. I wanted to grow. I wanted to grow into a community. Like, I want a whole family, you know what I'm saying, everyone? So besides that, like, I didn't expect to get 10 subs. I didn't expect to get 20. Truly, thank you all from the bottom of my heart. This is just going wild, everyone. So yeah, once we hit 1K, probably sometime next year, I think I said this year, I wanted to do a meetup, but I think it's just better to do it after we hit 1K. So everyone, if you guys would be down for a meetup, and this is if you guys have even made it this far into the video, but yo, if you guys want to meet up, let me know, because yeah, that would be sick, everyone. Could do it anywhere in Michigan, and it would be a fire ass day. We could all smoke, chill, vibe, make a video out of it. But yo, everyone, I love y'all so much. Peace, love, and happiness, what we're all about. It's been real. It's been your boy, theBookofH. We'll catch you in the next one for another banger. Peace, y'all.
Sick of this feeling, emotional and dreary. My secrets are theory to why I'm fearing. This feeling is scary, emotionless, buried, rising from the grave, but they're not cheering, sharing your risk.